South Florida's beaches still draw the tourists, but it's what's happening slowly that worries city planners.
We have documented sea level rise of 9 inches over the past 100 years.
That steady rise can be seen throughout the state. This saltwater marsh is just yards from the main runway at the airport in Key West. But at high tides, the ocean can overrun the taxiways. In Broward County, salt water overtook this well, forcing Hallandale Beach to buy a lot of its drinking water.
Canals and pipes has now become the conduit to bring seawater in. It travels up through the pipe because as sea level rises, the water can come back in.
Building codes now require extra height to factor in sea level. Here's the new firehouse.
In order to accommodate for sea level rise as well as storm flooding, this would have been the 9-foot mark that we would have been expected to build the building up to. We've gone another foot higher than that and built it up to 10 feet.
It's often asked, can a giant seawall be constructed around South Florida, like in the Netherlands or New Orleans? No, say the experts, because of Florida's geology, made up of porous coral reef and limestone.
So there's not enough fingers to hold back that water. There's not enough little Dutch boys, and so we have to come up with something.
So 4 Florida counties have banded together. But solutions are expensive and dollars in short supply. Still, officials hope these steps, from replenishing sand to new building codes, will help fight back with rising sea levels. Tony Winton, Associated Press, Miami.